Up next, according to the United Nations Development Programme, Ghana produces 12,710 tons of solid waste daily, but only 10% is collected and disposed of properly, with plastic waste forming a significant portion. Brigadier General Michael Akufo-Addo, head of the Jospong Waste Academy, speaking at the Waste Academy's launch, urged the government to prioritize waste management and enact effective policies to improve the country's sanitation situation. There's more in this report.
To combat the rising sanitary issues, implementing effective and integrated solid waste management systems is imperative to meet complex demands. Public-private partnerships and grants remain key solutions for efficient waste management. Brigadier General Michael Akufo-Addo, head of the Jospong Waste Academy, speaking at the launch of the Jospong Comtech Waste Academy, is advocating intensive sensitization and the formulation of a waste separation policy to ensure effective waste management.
Most of the time we think that Zoom Lion is all that it needs and they should just manage our waste. But policy makers from national level to the municipal and district assemblies must understand that waste management is for all of us. The environment we live in must be protected. So as part of the program, we're going to have interaction with them, seminars and workshops to create that awareness. And we hope that Parliament, as I mentioned, will come out with a legislation that will help us to do waste separation so that we'll be able to have the waste separated right at the source of generation. When that happens, collection and management is easier.
Brigadier General Michael Akufo-Addo advocates further the reintroduction of environmental studies into the basic educational curriculum.
We work with the KNUST and the Vienna Technical University, so they will come with a policy paper which will also help us reintroduce environmental studies in the primary schools. It used to be there, been taken off. And then we also want to get our children the lower level of kids right in the primary school using the Zoom Kids Foundation to create awareness, games and other activities, tree planting, competition, cleaning of the environment, competition, all those things, to be able that our kids are very much abreast. You know, children are very sensitive. If you're able to train our children very well, they can help us, even as parents, to manage our waste.
On her part, Austrian Consulate to Ghana, Rosemary Althner, pledged her outfit's support in aiding the development of the country, adding that plans are advanced in commissioning a consulate office in Ghana.
It's just sad if you drive around and you see all the plastics all over the place. And I'm not thinking that it's the fault of the people. I think is we haven't yet provided everyone the tools nor educate the children about waste management. This is something they can learn. It's the same thing when parents complain about their kids not tidying up their rooms. But do you ask yourself, have they provided them a shelf, a storage, something they can tidy up? The same thing in the schools. If you want the kids to not throw away their plastic and their waste, provide a bin for them so that they can put it in a bin. So it all starts with education and giving the right tools for the sanitation problem we have currently. Austria is working hard on it to open the embassy as soon as possible. And this will definitely enhance their bilateral agreements and politics, and it will help all of us to work better together if we have an embassy in Accra.
Access to information, data and technology remains crucial for efficient waste management. The launch saw the signing of an agreement between the Jospong Group and Comtech to improve waste management in Ghana. Stephen Mentor's report, read to you.